Hi guys! For today's menu is this one is balbakwa. This is balbakwa. It's a like this. Look at the food, guys. So this is the balbakwa. And Apache sounds. Lumpia. It's a humba. Humba feet. Pig feet. This one is nukos. Beans. Oh my god, there's a sound. Sa copyright. Beans. And this one is torta. It's a small shrimp. Small shrimp. This one is pork grilled and slices into small with a cucumber. Fried egg and tortang eggplant. This one is menudo. Chicken menudo with carrots and potato. Chicken menudo. This one is my favorite, and Ben's favorite is chop suey with broccoli and cauliflower and everything. And there's a mushroom. This one mushroom, the brown one. This is chop suey. Isa to, ma'am. Juan, 20. Isa ka order. And that's our menu for today.